Hey everybody, and welcome back for another video. In today's video, it's tire change day. Winter tires are coming off the car and summer tires are going on. Figured I'd bring you guys along for a quick little journey through that process and show you how I do our tires. Not that it's a big job, but being able to do your own can save you a few bucks here and there, and that's exactly what I'm going to do while also justifying having a decent collection of tools. So come along, let's change out some tires. As well, the front passenger side tire has a slow leak, so I'm going to have to try and track that down as well. So let's see what happens. There you go, folks. That is the tire change done. And we're going to address that one other thing that I mentioned in the intro there about the flat tire. I've solved what the problem is. Let's go have a look. Alright, so this is the culprit tire, and I've inflated it since, and it's holding its inflation now. It's a slow leak. Pressure is going down very slowly over time. So I figured coming out here that it'd probably be a puncture, like a nail or a screw or a sharp rock, and we'd be able to plug that up with a just a regular plug. But upon removing this wheel, which I removed first out of the four, the cause of the issue became quite apparent. And I'm going to bring you guys in closer, show you what I'm talking about. But all leading up to this, my wife said she struck a hard pothole, and shortly afterwards the tire went down. So, we figured there may be more to it. Well, I'll show you exactly what there was to it. Can you spot the problem? Well, quite obvious, isn't it? So the rim is dented, and as well, during the denting process, it must have pinched the sidewall, as there is a small laceration in the sidewall there. Not all the way through. Doesn't seem to be leaking through that pinch point, but the bead of the tire is very close to being exposed and causing a blowout. So this was actually quite lucky that there was not a blowout, and we've found the culprit, and thankfully we never drove on this tire since the impact. It was just to get home and go no further. So goes to show, if I had have thought, okay, this tire is holding air, I can use it for another while, the risk of a blowout right here could have been really bad. So always be a bit careful in what you're doing and what you're driving on. Try to be investigating all impacts and damages and leaky tires, because between you and the road are 4 tires, and that's it. That's your lifeline to the road. So there's your Safety Sally update for today. Be careful, because this could have blew and caused a much different incident. Alright, so this tire needs to go back to Canadian Tire. I have to go looking for receipts now to see if my road hazard warranty is effective, but this is going to involve a new rim for sure, and likely a new tire with that pinch point being there. And there you have it. That is where our leak was. No tire plugging today, but I do have another video where I did plug a tire and show how to do that. So you can go back on the channel and find that. It would be great. And there you have it, boys and girls. That is our video done for today. Following that little Safety Sally tidbit for you guys, the gloves are coming off. Alright, so like I say, it was a kind of a mundane topic as a tire change, but I was feeling inspired. I wanted to have some fun with the camera, some fun with different angles and takes, and hopefully during the editing process I can turn this into a video that you'll enjoy and that you stuck through the whole way. But that's about it for this. I don't know what the next video will bring for you guys, but we are getting into the spring breeding season now for the animals. We've done a chick hatching series. We got those silkies still in the brooder inside. They're doing great, but we do have some rabbits that are due for breeding soon as well. So try to stay tuned, see where the seasons take us. We got our planting starts ready to go out into our raised beds. Just various things coming and going and getting done, and we're just trying to enjoy this nice weather now, and as long as the good temperatures come on, we'll take it. So until that next video happens, I do hope you're happy. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're taking care of each other. And peace out.